What's up, guys? Today I am celebrating a very early Thanksgiving with some of my friends. So I decided to make my own turkey and fry it. I wanted to do something a little different. There's a Nashville hot chicken craze going on, and a turkey is kind of like a blank canvas, I guess you could say. Whether you want a Cajun, I've seen a lot of people do tandoori style, all that sort of stuff. So I was like, Nashville hot turkey is something that I've never really heard of, but it sounds interesting. If Nashville hot chicken tastes good, I don't see why Nashville hot turkey wouldn't taste good. Here's my blank canvas of a turkey. Just a regular butterball turkey from HEB, about a 12-pound bird. So I'm gonna start off by injecting all the major parts of the turkey, just like any other injection, regular injection. So typically in Nashville hot chicken, the hot oil coating goes on the outside, but this bird is way too big for us just to do that. So what the injection does is it coats, all the major parts, the breast, the leg, all that sort of stuff in the Nashville hot marinade. So we're gonna start off with that, fry the turkey. Once that's done and I'm ready to serve, then I'm gonna go ahead and brush the marinade on top when it's ready to serve. And that kind of emulates the whole dipping the chicken in the oil. This thing's way too big to dip, so we're gonna go ahead and just brush it on there, and I'll go through the steps. I'll also throw up the recipe on usedoneats.com, so be sure to follow along. So this is the Nashville hot injection that I was talking about earlier. Again, I'll throw up the recipe on the website so you guys can follow along if you're interested. This right here is a butter-based marinade, butter and chicken stock. Gives it a nice texture and easy to inject. This, however, differs from what I'm going to be doing later when I'm brushing the turkey. It's going to be more of an oil-based, but same ingredients, just a little bit of a different texture. All right, so let's inject this thing. All right, so here I am injecting the Nashville hot marinade into the turkey. And you want to make sure that you get every major part, every crevice that you can. My belief is you can't really over inject a turkey. A lot of it ends up coming out. So you want to get as close as possible to getting every single crevice in this thing. And then once we're done injecting, I'm going to kind of throw it on top. So you see I made quite a bit of injections all around the turkey. I'm going to pour some of it on top right before I refrigerate so that it kind of fills in the holes a little bit. Rub it around, and usually on my turkeys I'll season it on the outside as well, but because we'll be brushing this later, I don't think that's necessary. Okay guys, I'm about to cook the Nashville hot turkey. I cooked a Cajun turkey in here earlier, that's why the oil isn't as clean as I'd like it to be. How I'm going to start this process is I'm going to cook slices of beef bacon into the oil so that it gives it that nice fat base in the oil. That's great for the flavor of the turkey. It should complement the Nashville hot spices pretty well. I'm only going to do this for about 2 minutes, take the bacon out, and then put the turkey in. Okay, so I got my turkey frying right now. Probably just another few minutes, nice golden brown. One thing you want to keep in mind when you're frying a turkey is to be as safe as possible, because it is a very dangerous process. I do keep a fire extinguisher here with me, just in case you don't want anything to happen. Take all the precautions you can. Yeah, it's delicious. All right guys, so here's my Nashville hot turkey. Not the prettiest looking bird, but that's kind of the trade-off you get when you deep fry a turkey. It looks like this, but the inside is going to be nice and moist. So we're going to wrap it in foil, and it's going to continue to cook due to the residual heat. Next step after this is going to be to actually make the Nashville hot oil to brush the turkey with. As soon as that's done, once we're ready to serve, we're going to brush the outsides of the turkey with it. All right, so here we go. What we're going to do here is take some of the oil that we used to fry the turkey in. Should be about 2 cups. This is going to be for the Nashville hot oil that we're going to brush the turkey with. Let's go ahead and do 1 more cup. So 3 cups total. So here's that oil that we cooked the turkey in. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding the ingredients. So a couple teaspoons of paprika, a few tablespoons of cayenne, and this is kind of the star of the show here. So depending on how spicy you like it, you can adjust accordingly. I think I'm gonna do about 3 tablespoons, a couple teaspoons of garlic powder. One of the last ingredients I would add is the couple of tablespoons of brown sugar. So this is the Nasvhille hot oil I was talking about earlier. We're gonna baste the turkey with it. So we already based the outside, but you want to make sure you get the inside as well. So go ahead and cut it. Okay. Once that's done, I'm gonna transfer it over. And wire rack works best for this, so that it drains all the excess oil. Real quick baste. And that's it. Nasvhille hot turkey.
Yum.